Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we will write 10 best slogans on World Environment Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First slogan, World Environment Day, a global call for environment action. Second one, our environment is our soul. To keep it clean should be our goal. Next slogan, let's unite to protect our planet each and every day. Next slogan, from forests to oceans, let's cherish nature's gifts. Next slogan is reduce, reuse, recycle, a mantra for a sustainable future. Next slogan is plant a tree, let it thrive, and watch the world come alive. Next slogan, raise awareness, spread the word for a greener earth. Next slogan is clean air, clean water, a world that's cleaner and brighter. Next slogan, biodiversity matters. Let's protect species, both big and small. Last slogan, World Environment Day, a reminder to love and preserve our home for all.